Hello children! Welcome to Life Experience. Our topic for today is rain cycle. To start with, let's all sing and dance together.
Everybody wants to play, so rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Let's go outside and play, play, play.
Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
To play.
Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away.
Can you say that faster?
Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away.
How about even faster?
Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Let's go outside, play, play, play. Rain, rain, go away. I wanna play.
That was fantastic! Now let's review our previous topic. Global warming. The gradual warming of the Earth's surface, the ocean, and the atmosphere. What causes global warming? Cutting of trees, burning of trees, air pollution due to vehicle and factory emission. These are all causes of global warming. How to reduce global warming? We should use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Make a toy from waste material. Clean your plate. Always turn off electrical appliances after using. And plant more trees. These are the ways to reduce global warming. Very good, children! It's time to move on to our new topic. Let's learn together. Children, have you ever wondered where the rain comes from? Or how the clouds are formed? Let's learn about rain cycle to find out. When the sun heats up the rivers and the oceans, water becomes water vapor and it rises up in the air. When the water vapor reaches up in the sky, it turns into tiny droplets of water. These water droplets come together to form clouds. When the clouds become too heavy and it cannot hold more water inside, it bursts open to give out the rain. The water will then go back to the ground and the process of rain cycle will start again. During the rainy season, we can see the rainfall. Rainfall. We can also see lightning. Lightning. And the rainbow will also appear. Rainbow. And when you hear this sound, we call this thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. These are what we can see and hear during the rainy season. The Buddhist Lent Day. It coincides with the rainy season, during which the Buddhist monks take the vow to stay at one place or a temple to shelter them from the sun, storm, and rain. Now that we know all about rain cycle, let's summarize our lesson. When the sun heats up the water from the rivers and oceans, it will then turn into water vapor that rises up in the air as tiny droplets of water that come together to form the cloud. And when the cloud cannot hold any more water inside, it will then burst to give out the rain. This process is called rain cycle. During the rainy season, we can see rainfall. We can also see lightning. And the rainbow will also appear. We can also hear this sound. We call this thunderbolt. Excellent, everyone! And that is the end of our lesson. Thank you, children, for learning with me. Till next time. Bye-bye.